Hello students, welcome to online sessions of Giri tutorial. Firstly, I would like to welcome you all to a new phase in your life, and you all have chosen commerce as your stream. So I want to say that it's a very good decision made by you all, as this sector is grooming and it is going to create n number of jobs in near future. So you have done a very good decision, you have taken a very good decision by choosing it as a field. See, today I am going to introduce Organization of Commerce and Management, OCM. It as you all call it as OCM. सी आपका जो सेशन है ये एक महीना पहले ही स्टार्ट हुआ है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट वी आर स्टार्टिंग आवर सेशंस अ मंथ अहेड, which is arranged by House and Pradeep sir only to keep you in touch with your studies and आपका कोई टाइम वेस्ट ना हो, इसके लिए ये सेशन स्टार्ट किया गया है इतनी जल्दी. सी नाउ फर्स्ट इज introduction to Organization of Commerce and Management. Now see, first I would like to introduce commerce. What is commerce? Commerce is the exchange of goods and services, especially on a large scale. It includes legal, economic, political, social, cultural and technological system that operate in a country or in international trade. In the economic sense, commerce refer to conduct of trade among economic agent. See, commerce is the exchange. Commerce is nothing but it is an exchange of goods and services on a larger scale. It include legal, economic, political, social, cultural and technological system that operate in a country or in an international trade. In the economic sense, commerce refer to the conduct of trade among economic agent. Now, commerce include two types of activity. कॉमर्स में दो टाइप्स की एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड होती है, ट्रेड एंड ऑक्सिलरी टू ट्रेड. नाउ ट्रेड इन्वॉल्व बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड ऑक्सिलरी टू ट्रेड, aid to trade, help to trade. These are activities which support trading. Transport, banking, insurance, warehousing and advertising are regarded as auxiliary to trade. See, commerce include two types of activity. Trade involve buying and selling of goods. Trade means buying and selling. It involves buying and selling of goods. Now see, what is auxiliary to trade? Auxiliary to trade, these are activities which support trade. ये वो activities होती है जो trade को support करती है. For example, transport. Transport is very helpful. It is a very helpful it is very helpful as it support trade. See, आपका गुड्स वगैरह बन के रेडी है, बट आपका जो गुड्स से कस्टमर के पास कैसे पहुंचेगा? विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. बैंकिंग जो है ये फाइनेंशियल हर्डल है, बैंकिंग सॉल्व करता है. इंश्योरेंस आपको एक तरह का एश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड करता है. इट गिव यू एश्योरेंस, आपका कोई भी लॉस ना हो. वेयर हाउसिंग, जो टाइम, इट क्रिएट टाइम यूटिलिटी. आपका प्रोडक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के जो बीच का टाइम है, इट इज गुड्स वेयर हाउसिंग में बहुत सेफ रहता है. एंड वेयर हाउसिंग मेक्स a regular supply of goods in the market. And advertising are regarded as auxiliary to trade. And you all know advertising का बहुत सिंपल फंडा है, जो दिखता है एंड वो बिकता है. तो एडवर्टाइजिंग प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज आपका आइडिया अच्छा है, आपका यू हैव अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट, बट विदाउट एडवर्टाइजिंग हाउ पीपल विल कम टू नो दैट आपका प्रोडक्ट इतना अच्छा है. तो एडवर्टाइजिंग क्रिएट अवेयरनेस. तो कॉमर्स जो है ये दो टाइप की एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड करता है, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग of goods, that is trade, and auxiliary trade. All the activities which support trade is known as auxiliary aid to trade. Now let's have a look at your subject, at your topics. First topic is introduction of commerce and business. Here you are going to study in detail that what is commerce and business and how it operate, what are the branches are included in it. Next is trade. Here also you are going to have a detailed study about trade. Next is small scale industry and business. Here you are going to study that what role is played by small scale industry and business, how they play a very important role in economic development of your country. Next is form of business organization. Here you are going to study different form of business organization. For example, sole trading, joint Hindu family business, joint stock companies, corporate society, cooperative companies. So here you are going to study different form of business organization. Next is form of business organization. It is part 2. Here you are going to study all the public sectors which is owned, controlled by government. See, form of business organization, part 1, you are going to study about the private sectors and the companies included in private sector. And in fifth topic, form of business organization, here you are going to study all the topics which is included in all the business which is run by. Here you are going to study public sector. That means the companies which is owned and controlled and managed by government. Next is institute supporting business. Here you are going to study different institution which is formed and their aim is to support business in different types. So all the institution which support the business, you are going to study about the different institution which is formed only with the purpose to support business. Next is business environment. Here you are going to study that how that see आप जैसे आप सबको पता है कि कोई भी बिजनेस वैक्यूम में सरवाइव नहीं करता. जैसे हम हैं एज अ पर्सन, हम सोशली रहते हैं, हम आइसोलेट होकर नहीं रह सकते. वैसे बिजनेस भी है, उसका भी एनवायरमेंट होता है एंड इट कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इन वैक्यूम. सो बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट, what kind of effect it have on business, you are going to study in detail. Different types of environment, आप यहाँ पे different types of environment पढ़ोगे एंड उसका बिजनेस पे क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. अभी एनवायरमेंट चेंज होने से आपको भी क्या क्या चेंजेस लाने पड़ते हैं, तो आपको ये टॉपिक में आप पढ़ोगे. लास्ट वन इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैनेजमेंट. व्हाट इज मैनेजमेंट? मैनेजमेंट, दिस टर्म इज वेरी कॉमन. ये आप लोग ने सबने सुना है एंड वी आर इनटू हैबिट ऑफ यूजिंग दिस टर्म. मैनेजमेंट मीन्स गेटिंग थिंग्स डन, चीजों को करवाना. तो इंट्रोडक्शन टू मैनेजमेंट, हियर यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल meaning of management and importance of management, why management is important in today's business world, and what are the different level of management. So this is your syllabus and you have to this entire year we are going to study everything in detail. See, आप लोग को करना क्या है, आप लोगों को लेक्चर्स एकदम ध्यान से सुनना है and the instructions which is given by concerned faculty, आपको राहुल सर, प्रदीप सर जो भी instructions दे रहे हैं आपको उसको follow करना है. and आपको बिल्कुल भी आपकी studies की tension नहीं लेनी है because we are always there to support you. तो आपको आपके subject का tension नहीं लेना है. and one more thing, आप daily basis पे आपको आपका जो topics है उसको क्या करना है, complete करना है. So with this, I would like to end my session and we will start with the first topic in the next session. Thank you so much.